My fucking ears ringing.
Yeah, mine are too. I'm back here, man. I bet you my neighbor's ears are ringing.
Go crazy.
All right, back for another video. Today we're on to some exhaust work. So what we've done so far is we've done the lightweight bumper support, lightweight radiator support, and we've relocated the battery. So the lightweight bumper support and lightweight radiator support we did videos on, so you can go back and check those out if you haven't watched them already. But when it comes to the battery, I didn't film any of that. I really don't have a good excuse for that other than being lazy. But yeah, so now we've moved the battery into the trunk. So that's all set up, and that was all done last night until I had some issues with the battery terminal, which I snapped off there. So just waiting for some new battery terminals, and then we'll button that up. But unfortunately I didn't film any of that, so shame on me. But yeah, we're back onto the exhaust work now. All right, so the current exhaust setup on the car is just factory exhaust manifolds. They come down here to,
how dare you,
pipes. From there we've still got the factory H pipe, and then from the H pipe resonators are still intact. And then for mufflers, we've been running GT500 mufflers. What we've done is pulled off the mufflers. The car was running 2010 to 2012 Mustang GT500 mufflers. So that's them there. I've been running those for a couple years. Prior to that, I did have muffler deletes. They were a little too loud, a little too obnoxious, so we put the mufflers on to tone it down a bit. So it did sound really good. However, not loud enough for me. So what we're doing is we're going back to muffler deletes. So we've got the MBRP 4-inch muffler deletes with the nice tips there. So
just a tip, just for a second, just to see how it feels.
So we'll be installing those. We did weigh these in. So these weighed just over 20 pounds each. So 40 pounds between the two of them. And then these guys weigh about 8-9 pounds each, including the tip.
Got him! Got him!
So we're saving about 24 pounds off the back of the car. But we've also picked up, I think it was 32 pounds with that battery. So we've picked up some weight in the back to the right side of the vehicle, because I'm on the left side, so the bias should be better with this on the right side. But we will do a video on the weight of the car now and what it was last year with all the changes we made, dropping the weight, placement of the weight, so get a better idea how that all turned out once we get to that. So yeah, let's get moving on to the exhaust. We'll get the car up, we'll get the new pipes on, and we'll go from there.
Yeah.
My fucking ears ringing.
Yeah, mine are too. I'm back here, man. I bet you my neighbor's ears are ringing.
Oh, fuck. My ears seriously ringing right now. Yeah. Is that going in there too, right?
We're gonna burn it down. Burn it down. We're gonna burn it down.